Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up login password on MacBook Air. And to do this, we'll need to click on our system settings, then select the lock screen, Touch and ID password, and right here you should see something like set up the password, because I have one already set up, so I can't create new one. But if you already set your password and want to change it, then there's a button for it right here. You need to enter your old password, then new password, verify it, and a hint which will guide you with what the password is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.